Welcome to our foot massager showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular products, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager and the Rejuvacare FootRenew triple method massager. Both are priced at $79 and aim to provide relief for foot pain, but they offer different experiences. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out for your needs. The COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager utilizes deep Shiatsu rolling and kneading techniques to provide a professional-grade massage experience. In contrast, the Rejuvacare FootRenew focuses on gentle vibration and wrap-based compression, making it more suitable for users who prefer a lighter touch. This fundamental difference in massage techniques caters to different preferences and needs. When it comes to portability, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager is a corded device that remains stationary, making it less convenient for travel or office use. On the other hand, the Rejuvacare FootRenew is cordless and lightweight, allowing users to enjoy relief wherever they are, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. The COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager targets the soles, heels, and arches of the feet, providing comprehensive relief for conditions like plantar fasciitis. In contrast, the Rejuvacare FootRenew focuses on the ankle and overall foot flexibility, making it ideal for users who experience stiffness and swelling. This distinction is crucial for users to consider based on their specific needs. In conclusion, the choice between the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager and the Rejuvacare FootRenew triple massager ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. If you seek a powerful, deep tissue massage, the COMFIER is the way to go. However, if portability and gentle relief are your priorities, the Rejuvacare is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.